All right, hello team and family. Example 2. Suds and Lee Clean Car Wash is open 8 hours each day, 7 days a week. They wash an average of 15 cars per hour. At this rate, how many cars would they wash in 1 week? Use the problem-solving process similar to the back side of this page, which I folded over on the top here for us to look at. In your notes, how to use the problem-solving process. Step 1, draw a square. Check. Step 2, put U on the top left vertice for understand and answer all 3 questions. So 1, what are you asked to find? At this rate, how many cars would they wash in 1 week? So how many cars would they wash in 1 week? Question mark. 2, what are the facts? What are the things that are given to us? Before I do that, I'm going to underline my question. How many cars would they wash in 1 week? So I know we're looking for facts. So one thing is we want to look for 1 week total. I know that they can wash 15 cars per hour. 15 cars per hour. And watch they work or open 8 hours each day, and they're open 7 days a week. Three, is there any information given that you will not use? I don't think we need to know about the car wash, but I think most of it is pretty much stuff we will use. So I'm going to say problem is straightforward. Straightforward means there's not really a whole lot of stuff going on besides the information we need to use. All right, step 3, put P on the top right vertice for plan and answer all 2 questions. Question 1, what strategy or strategies can you use? So I know if there's 15 cars per hour, 8 hours each day, and 7 days a week, and I want to try to figure out how many cars would they wash in 1 week, I can take all of these units that are different and multiply them together. So step 1, multiply the different units. Step 2, have you solved any similar problems before? So I've solved problems where I'm trying to figure out a total amount and I have to multiply. I haven't solved as many problems where I have to multiply it 3 times. So I'm going to put here, remember to multiply 3 times. Not just 2. Perfect. Next, in my notebook, it says put S on the bottom right for solve and follow the 2 steps. So put S on the bottom right and solve for the next 2 steps. 1, follow your plan. So my plan was to multiply the different units. I'll start with 15 times 8. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Then I'm going to take 120 and I'm going to multiply it by 7. 7 times 0, 0. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Step 2, I showed all my steps. Here are all my steps written out. In my notes, number 5, put C on the bottom left for check and answer all 3 questions. I'm going to put C for check. I'm going to answer all 3 questions. I'll put 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom here. I might even raise it up a little bit so we can see it easier. Step 1, did you answer the question? 840 total cars. Yes, I found the total amount of cars. And it seems to be reasonable. Step 2, is your answer reasonable? Yes, it should be in the hundreds. The reason why I know it should be in the hundreds is because 8 times 7 is 56, and 56 times 15 is going to get me somewhere in the hundreds. So 840 seems it's reasonable. Are there other strategies that you could use? Yeah, there's a lot of different strategies. So I could have done a table here and gotten this and then done a table here. Yes, I'm just going to list them for this. I'm going to say yes, a table. I could also do a list. Or I could even add over and over. Last step, step 6, put answer in the middle of the box. 840 cars. Want to label my units? I can wash 840 cars in 1 week. And that is example 2. Woo!